Hi, and welcome back to Rex Programming's Introduction to Python. In this lesson, we are going to be covering while loops. Let's begin. Go ahead and open Atom, and in your conditional statements folder, create a new file called whileloops.py. So while loops are similar to for loops, except they're going to do something while something is true. So while true, do whatever I say in my nested area. So let's get started. Let's say I'm going to do a while loop example where Billy is 5 years old and wants to see a PG-13 movie. Well, if his age is 5, what we could say is while age is less than 13, print, sorry, you are not old enough. And so if I run this program, it's going to constantly print, sorry, you are not old enough, over and over and over again forever, because this is just happening. His age is 5, and that's true. Nothing is changing to his age. So let's do something to change that. I'm going to stop this program, and I'm going to say, okay, after you print, sorry, you're not old enough, let's change age. Age will be age plus 1 now. So we'll add a year to his age every time. Let's try it now. And you'll see, sorry, you're not old enough. Pops up a certain amount of times, and we can even see his age simply by adding an F here to make it an F string. We could say you are only age. So now if I run this program, you'll see you are only 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then finally when he's 13, he can see the movie. So, awesome. How else could we use a while loop other than with numbers? Well, you could simply do something like saying while true. And if you say while true, it will do something continuously until it's false. For example, let's say we have a password, and we set this password equal to Rex. We could then say while true, guess is equal to input, enter a password. So now guess will be their guess for whatever our password is going to be. And we could say if password equals guess, then break. And this break statement will get you out of your while loop if you're inside a while loop and want to break for any reason. So with this program, we should be able to quickly have a continuous while loop that's not going to let me in unless I guess the right password. And here I can even add an else statement saying if I don't guess it right, print incorrect, try again. So let's try it. And enter a password, Bob. Nope. I'll try Rex with a lowercase r. Nope. Capital R. And we're good. We got in. Well, that's how you use a while loop. That's it for today. Congratulations. I'll see you in the next video.